it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. We really wanted to show you Gertrude's new favorite dog treats. These are from Doggie Chop NYC, and they are freeze-dried doggy treats made out of beef. So they're made out of beef lung, beef liver, all beef parts, and they're dehydrated to lock in all the nutrients and freshness. So Gertrude loves these so much. As soon as I open the bag, she comes running. We've been giving them to her as we're trying to train her. I like to do positive reinforcement when I'm training my dog. So when we go for walks, I always bring these with me just to give them to her when she's doing something good so I can praise her. I love the size of these. So they are all a little bit different looking and different sizes and shapes, but they're around the size of a nickel. So our dog, she's a 10-pound Shih Tzu, so they're perfect for her small mouth. We have been using them sometimes as a topper for her dog kibble. It definitely gets her excited to eat. And even when we go for walks, the neighbor dogs are always coming and running when I pull these out. I also love the size of them. Again, they're so easy to travel with. I like to put some in my purse when I go for a walk, so they're easily accessible right there to give them to her. I just love the fact that there's no grains, there's no gluten, there's no soy. It's just pure protein, which is what we generally give our dog anyways. So I'm really impressed with these treats. I love the fact that my dog loves them so much, and they've been really good with training her. I think your dog, no matter what size or breed, are gonna love them just as much as Gertrude does, but that's just our point of view.